Mark Angel currently ranks number 1 in Nigeria, so he's the number 1 YouTuber in Nigeria with 7.6 million subscribers and over 1.7 billion views with just less than 500 uploads. And how much does this Mark Angel really make? So Mark Angel does not only rank number 1, but he makes around $82,400 every single month. $82,400. That is just mind-blowing. Like,
hello my people, David here again. In today's video we're going to talk about how much does African YouTubers actually makes. And this video, I know, is a little bit different from what probably I have done in the past, but I'm just doing this video for two reasons. One is a reaction to the video that I just watched recently by one of my favorite YouTubers that I follow in Nigeria. Her name is Dyna Ekweme. She actually shared how much she makes on YouTube recently. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm just going to play a clip of it, then you can also go and watch it and subscribe to our channel. So I'm making this video as a reaction to the video that she made, and also I'm making this video as a way to motivate those of you that have been wanting to start up a YouTube channel, but probably on the fence. You're wondering whether something should start up or not. I believe that after watching this video, that you really get motivated and then probably start up making your own YouTube channel. And also as a way to encourage those of you that already have started and you're shooting your YouTube videos, but of course you're not seeing the growth yet, but just keep pushing and know that definitely you're going to get there over time. One thing you must know is that African YouTubers don't really share how much they make on YouTube. The highest that they actually do is to just share probably how much a particular video made on their account, but they don't actually tell you how much they make every month. So which is why this video that Dyna Ekweme did is a little bit different from what has been out there. So this is why I'm actually doing a reaction video, about it. When Wode Maya came to Nigeria, I remember that most of the videos I watched about him with other with other Nigerian collaborators is that they keep asking him, how much do you make? And to be honest, he didn't tell anybody that. Probably he told them off camera, like he said. He told them off camera, but on the camera, he never said that. When it comes to money, it's something that this part of the world we are not very comfortable to share how much we make, because, before your village people will now come looking for you. But I also believe that sharing and being transparent how much you make as a big YouTuber out there like Wode Maya and the rest of them, will also serve as a source of encouragement, motivation for many smaller YouTubers out there. However, everybody have a reason not to share, because before it will look like you're bragging, or before it will look like you're trying to show off wealth or something else. So everybody will shoot and do what they are comfortable with. But I believe that after you watching this video, you're going to actually see how much Nigerian YouTubers and African YouTubers in general make, and that should serve as a motivation for you only. So remember, this video should serve as a motivation for you, as an encouragement for you, and for those of you that probably are very curious like me, you can also find out and know how much this is. Alright, so let's go over now to my computer and I'm going to show you guys the statistics. Before we begin, let me play you the video that Dyna Ekweme actually made about how much she makes every month.
Now, Auntie, can you tell us how much you're making every month? We're back to my YouTube channel's analytics, and I'm just going to go to this month area and scroll down. Maybe the month of April. So the month of April, this was how much YouTube paid me: $2,073.56. And we'll go to May. On the month of May, it was slightly lower than what I got April, $1,806.26. And obviously salary of mine fluctuates. On a very good day, this revenue can go up to $2,500 to even $3,000. Like January, February, the month that I received the highest back-to-back views, it went up as high as that.
Well, I don't know whether you're surprised by the number or not, but the numbers there is pretty good. That means if you convert it to the Naira currency of today, Naira is the currency that we use in Nigeria. So if you convert it to Nigerian currency, which is Naira, it's over $1 million or $1 million Naira every month. That's what she makes. So between 500,000 to 1 million Naira upwards is what she makes every month. So that's pretty good number compared to what most people really make that are working full-time every day, you know, from 8 to 5 and all of that. So that's a pretty good number out there. All right, so having seen that, so what I'm going to do now is to use the data that she has provided, and then we're going to go over to Social Blade. Social Blade is a website that actually provides you and give you an estimate of how much every YouTuber makes out there. So if you want to know how much a YouTuber make, you can actually use Social Blade to actually find how much they make. It's a predictions website, but it is actually about 95% accurate, because if we use this very data that Dyna Ekweme provided and we'll go over to Social Blade, now you're going to see that it's actually about 95% accurate.
Now we're on Social Blade, so we are going to use the data that Dyna Ekweme provided, because in her first month she showed us she made around $1,800. The other one she made around $2,000 plus, and then she says when she's very consistent she makes around $2,500 to $3,000. So let's compare that data she provided with what Social Blade give us, so that helps us to really know how accurate Social Blade is. So if I just enter her name, Dyna Ekweme, I'll do a search, so you can see. Okay, so first of all, she ranks around 387 on the YouTube space in Nigeria. So you can see Social Blade tells her that she earns around $2,400. So this is pretty 98% accurate, because she says that she earns around $2,500 to $3,000, and Social Blade is telling us that in a month estimated earnings is around $2,400. So which means this is pretty 98% accurate. So with the data she has provided and just opposing that with what Social Blade has provided, you can see that Social Blade is very correct. So with the same data, with the same way now, you can also figure out how much any YouTuber around the world, whether in Nigeria, Africa, around the world, actually makes. So now let's check out other YouTubers and just see how much these YouTubers really make. So if we move over to McAngel and do a search, Angel currently ranks number 1 in Nigeria. So he's the number 1 YouTuber in Nigeria with 7.6 million subscribers and over 1.7 billion views with just less than 500 uploads. And how much does this McAngel really make? So McAngel does not only rank number 1, but he makes around $82,400 every single month. $82,400. That is just mind blowing. Like let me just do a little bit of calculator here, pull out my calculator and see how much this is. If I do $82,400 at dollar in Nigeria right now is around 4.95. So if we pull that up, that's around 40 million naira every single month. Damn. What? Seriously? Yes, this is true. So remember, compare the data that Dyna Ekweme provided. This was pretty 98% accurate. So that means McAngel either makes above this money or makes a little bit below this money. For $82,000 every single month, boy, that's a lot of money. Alright, so let's move over and check out Wode Maya. How much do you guys think Wode Maya make? So let's do a search. This, and then here we are. So at the moment, Wode Maya is around 845,000 subscribers with less than 900 uploads and over 127 million views. Alright, so if we come over here, you see that Wode Maya makes around $17,000 every single month. $17,000. Alright, so let's play devil advocate again. Let's pull up our calculator and let's calculate 17,000. If we convert that to Nigerian money, which is in naira, 495. Boom. So that means Wode Maya earns around 8 million naira every single month. Boy, this is pretty impressive. 8 million naira. I don't know how many of you that are working 4 to 5 jobs are making 8 million naira every month. Maybe you start thinking of quitting your job and joining YouTube. That's a lot of money actually. Alright, so let's move over to who else is my favorite YouTuber. Let's move over to Aina. So Aina as well, let's do a search. Aina at the moment is around 262 subscribers, okay, with less than 300 uploads. See, he ranks around 140 on YouTube space in Nigeria, and he makes around $5,400 every single month. Alright, so if we pull that up on a calculator, $5,400, and we do 495, you see that gives us around 2.6 million naira every single month. Okay, so who else do you want to search? Alright, so you already know the two, Social Blade. So you can use Social Blade to search and you can find how much anybody is making. Don't forget, we just opposed this whole thing by using what Dyna Ekweme provided in the first place, comparing what she provided and what Social Blade provided. It was pretty much 98% accurate, which is why we will also now use that to just oppose over what every other YouTuber earns. We can actually tell how much they earn. So you can pretty see that with YouTubers, even though they may not say or tell you this is how much they make quite a lot of money. And this, like I said, should serve as a motivation for those of you who are looking to start up a YouTube channel and you want to make money with this, you want to build a career with this. This should serve as a motivation. I mean, if you go all out and keep pushing your content, definitely, I mean, you're not going to be lacking bread. You're going to make it. But again, of course, you know, shooting YouTube videos require a lot of work. There's a lot of work involved in shooting YouTube videos. So it's not that it's not like it's something you start up today, you start making $1,000. No. So for instance, Dyna Ekweme is already at 92,000 subscribers. So that's a lot. It takes a lot to build the subscriber base and also to get to this point. But the truth is, I mean, if they're making it, anyone else can make it. And the other thing you need to know is that YouTube is a real business, it's a real profession you can pursue, and you can make money out of it. So that's the essence of this video. This video is not to throw jab on anyone, it's not to show how much anyone is making, it's just to serve as a motivation for upcoming YouTubers to know that you can build a career through the spark. Alright, so that's all I have for you in this video. Like, this video should be a motivation for you. If you like it,